आज हम सीखेंगे रियल लाइफ इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशंस। शुरुआत करते हैं दो दोस्तों से जो एक सरप्राइज बर्थडे प्लान करते हैं।
Hey Rahul, I have a great idea. Let's plan a surprise party for Vivek tomorrow. That sounds awesome. We can order pizza and get a chocolate cake. Yum! He loves pizza and chocolate cake. Perfect. Let's invite our close friends too. Neha can bring snacks, and Raj can do his hilarious mimicry. The more, the merrier. Oh, and don't forget Maya. She'll sing some funny birthday songs. Okay, let me create a WhatsApp group to plan everything. I'll add all of them. Good idea. They can also share their suggestions there. Name it Operation Surprise. Oh no, I just added Vivek by mistake. What? Remove him quickly before he notices. Done. That was a close call. Phew, almost blew our cover. Okay, now we need a plan to get Vivek to my house. How about you call him and say you need help with something? Yeah, I'll act like I desperately need help with my assignment, or else I'm doomed. Awesome. There's no way he'll say no to that. I can already imagine his shocked face when he finds out. Me too. We should decorate the place tonight, make it really festive. I'll bring balloons, streamers, and maybe some fairy lights to set the mood. And please no more screw-ups this time. Remember last time when Vishal's cake said, "Happy birthday mom," instead? Yeah, that was priceless. His face just dropped when he saw the cake. Poor Vishal. Alright, let's get started. Our group chat is blowing up with notifications. This is shaping up to be the best surprise ever. Operation Surprise is officially on.
अब इस कॉन्वर्सेशन के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रेजेस देख लेते हैं। द मोर द मेरियर यानी कि जितने ज्यादा लोग उतना ज्यादा मजा। एग्जाम्पल, इनवाइट योर कजिन्स टू द मोर द मेरियर। क्लोज कॉल यानी कि बाल बाल बचना। एग्जाम्पल, दैट बाइक ऑलमोस्ट हिट मी, सच अ क्लोज कॉल। ब्लू आर कवर यानी कि पर्दाफाश होना या प्लान का भांडा फूटना। एग्जाम्पल, ही फॉरगॉट टू हाइड द केक and that totally blew our cover. Mom found out everything. I'm doomed यानी कि मेरा तो काम तमाम है। Example, if I don't meet my sales targets, I'm doomed. Balloons, streamers and fairy lights यानी कि सजावट की चीजें जैसे गुब्बारे, रिबन और लाइट्स। Example, we decorated the room with balloons, streamers and fairy lights. मेक इट फेस्टिव यानी कि त्योहार जैसा माहौल बना दो। एग्जाम्पल, एड सम म्यूजिक एंड लाइट्स टू मेक इट फेस्टिव। सेट द मूड यानी कि माहौल बनाना। एग्जाम्पल, सम फन म्यूजिक एंड लाइट्स विल सेट द मूड फॉर द पार्टी। स्क्रू अप्स यानी कि गड़बड़ियां या गलतियां। एग्जाम्पल, वी लॉस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ अ फ्यू स्क्रू अप्स ड्यूरिंग द गेम। फेस ड्रॉप्ड यानी कि चेहरा उतर गया। एग्जाम्पल, her face dropped when she saw the test result. Blowing up यानी कि बहुत सारे मैसेज या कॉल्स आना। Example, my phone is blowing up with birthday wishes. Shaping up यानी कि अच्छी तरह से तैयार हो रहा है। Example, the event is shaping up to be big success. Next conversation में हम देखेंगे दो भाई एक छोटी सी बात पर झगड़ते हुए।
Hey, it's my turn to use the laptop. Again? I've got that online exam tomorrow. Need to give some mock exams. You always say that, but last time I caught you playing games for hours. What? That was just to take a break. You know, keep the mind fresh. Yeah, sure. You're always hogging the laptop, and I never get any time to watch educational content. Educational, huh? Yeah, I know exactly what kind of education you are getting. Hey. That's none of your business. Besides, you're no saint. Don't think I haven't seen your browser history. Oh, come on, let's not dig up dirt here. All I want is to finish my project, but you're constantly glued to the laptop. And you act like it's your personal cinema. We need to sort this out before mom finds out and throws a fit. Agreed. How about we make a schedule? You get the laptop from 8 to 10 for studying, then I get it after. Sounds fair. And no sneaky videos. Hey, alright. You can have it for now, but I get it back after dinner. Fine. You can enjoy your educational videos later. Don't you tell me what to do, and make sure you keep the laptop charged.
अब इम्पोर्टेंट फ्रेजेस देख लेते हैं। हॉगिंग समथिंग यानी कि अकेले ही कब्जा करना। एग्जाम्पल, स्टॉप हॉगिंग द ब्लैंकेट, इट्स फ्रीजिंग। You're no saint यानी कि तुम भी कोई संत नहीं हो। एग्जाम्पल, डोंट ब्लेम मी, you're no saint either। डिग अप डर्ट यानी कि किसी की बुराइयां निकालना। एग्जाम्पल, रिपोर्टर्स ट्राइड टू डिग अप डर्ट ऑन द पॉलिटिशियन। ग्लूड टू समथिंग यानी कि किसी चीज में पूरी तरह मग्न हो जाना या चिपक जाना। एग्जाम्पल, ही इज ग्लूड टू हिज फोन ऑल डे। थ्रोज अ फिट यानी कि जोर से गुस्सा करना। एग्जाम्पल, he throws a fit if anyone touches his toys। आज के लास्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन में हम देखेंगे दो सहेलियां स्कूल की गपशप करती हैं। Hey Shruti, I missed school today, had a fever and needed some rest। Oh, that sucks। How are you now? Thanks, feeling a bit better। So, what did I miss? Oh my god, you missed everything। Where do I even start? Start with maths। Okay, so Sharmila ma'am kicked off with trigonometry, and honestly, it's pretty confusing। Oh no! It was all sine theta this and cos theta that, but the only thing I got was that sine 0 is 0. Don't ask me how or why। Trigonometry is an important topic। I shouldn't have missed the intro। Or relax। In history class, Gupta ma'am taught us about revolutions। I think it was French। Or was it industrial? Shruti, there's a whole century between those। Honestly, it's all a blur। There was something about the storming of the Bastille, and people shouting, liberty, equality, fraternity। I think it was some kind of prison or something। Nice! What about physics? We did some acceleration and momentum problems today, easy, just plug into the formula types। It was all quiet and sleepy, until someone's phone suddenly blasted the Nagin song out of nowhere। No way! Who was it? Kulkarni sir searched the whole class and found the phone with Sachin। Oh my god! And then what? Both of them cooked up elaborate stories to dodge the blame। In the end, both got dragged to the principal's office। Man, I miss one day and it turns into a full-on soap opera। Yes, full-on Ekta Kapoor vibes। So do we have any homework? Yeah, there's some assignment. But why do you care? You've got the perfect excuse। You're right। Being sick finally paid off। But don't miss tomorrow। Big surprise in the last period। Oh, I'll be there। Can't miss another episode। See you tomorrow। Important phrases। Kicked off यानी कि शुरुआत होना। Example, the concert kicked off with a show of fireworks। A blur यानी कि सब धुंधला लगना या याद न रहना। Example, everything happened so fast it's all a blur। Cook up stories यानी कि झूठी कहानियां बनाना। Example, he always cooks up stories to avoid trouble। Dodge blame यानी कि दोष से बचना। Example, she tried to dodge the blame for the broken vase। Paid off यानी कि मेहनत रंग लाना। Example, all that hard work finally paid off। तो ये थे 3 रियल लाइफ इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशंस। इन्हें जरूर प्रैक्टिस करना। अब एक होमवर्क है आपके लिए। क्रिएट अ फन कॉन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन टू सिबलिंग्स फाइटिंग ओवर समथिंग सिली। आज के लेसन से कम 3 फ्रेजेस यूज करना। ये असाइनमेंट कमेंट्स में शेयर जरूर करिए। तो आज के लिए इतना ही। फिर मिलते हैं।